Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And as for a question that I had about the news and interest panel, because one of user is going crazy over the fact that in Windows 10 that news and interest pops up when he actually goes over the taskbar where it is located. Of course, one of the questions he asks is, can we turn it off? And the other questions also is there a way to just not have it pop up, depending on what he wants to do? So I keep it there. As you noticed, it doesn't pop up in my case because I turned off the feature, but I do like to have the weather displayed. But there's also other things that display here, and more Microsoft is kind of dabbling with, like stock quotes and latest news and stuff like that sometimes can actually pop up here. Well, you can actually also reduce the number of updates and information that's here. So where do we have the news and interest panel settings? Simply right click on the taskbar in Windows 10 and go into taskbar settings. Once you go down the list, you will see that everything that has to do with news and interest is here. So of course the big on off switch is here. You can just turn it off if you don't want it at all, and that's it. If you turn it on, you can have icons and text or icon only, depending on what you want to have as information. There's of course if you want to keep it but don't want to have that dreaded, it will pop up every time that you go over the area here. Simply make sure that hover to open is off, so that the news and interest doesn't pop up when you actually go here. And last but not least, if you want to reduce the updates and the frequency of information in here, you can just say reduce updates to news and interest on the taskbar. I believe this is a feature or an option that was not available until fairly recently. So probably an update actually brought it up. So reduce updates to news and interest in the taskbar to lower the amount of changing information in here. And like I said, you just don't want it. Well, you can just remove, and that's it. You'll be fine, and there's no more news and interest, and no risk of clicking on it or having it pop up without you wanting. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.